Hi, I'm just going to show you how to use the Nespresso coffee machine at Aquila Retreat so that you can make yourself a coffee first thing in the morning. So this is the machine. On top of the machine are all the buttons you need to know about. Press any of the buttons on the left hand side and that's going to fire up your machine. So just to explain these buttons, first of all, we've got a single shot, a double shot and a long black. Over here we've got the steamer, so you just press that once to start the steamer and press it again to turn the steamer off. Around the back we have the water jug, so you need to just take the lid off to make sure that you can see that there's plenty of water in that, which you can see here there is. Okay, if you need to take that off, you just use the handle here to gently lift that and that will release, fill it up with water, and then you just pop it back in securely and pop the lid back on. Okay, so just to the left of the machine, you'll see a cupboard here that you open and you've got all your coffee cups in. The first drawer here, you've got all your Nespresso and coffee equipment. So we've got milk jugs, we've got various types of coffee pods to choose from. So make your selection as to what you like and how strong you like your coffee. We first need to check whether or not there are actually any pods. So if you just give this a gentle push here, that will release the pod holder and then you can see whether there are any pods. Just make sure that's clear. It only holds around half a dozen pods and then it will jam the machine. So we'll put that back in, give it a press. And here, if you press this tray, if you're making an espresso, a small shot, you can use this little step here to put your coffee on. So, release the silver clasp up. This is where our pod goes into. So I'm just gonna grab a pod here. The silver piece of the pod goes at the front. We drop that in, gently press this down, pop our coffee cups underneath and make your selection on which one you would like to make. So I'm just going to select the double shot here once. That's going to do its thing. Okay, I'm going to show you now how to froth the milk. So you just want to fill up your milk jug with enough milk to not have it too shallow. You want, when you pop just give me 2 seconds, when you put the milk steamer in, you want the milk to actually cover the steamer, otherwise it makes an extremely loud noise. I'm going to hit this button on the top here just once, and that's going to steam our milk for us. And you can actually just leave that sitting there. You don't need to adjust and hold it. If you're an expert, you can pull this little lever out and hold it with one hand if you like. And that heats up fairly quickly. When you're done steaming, you just turn that off just by hitting that once again. And to release the pod down into the pod holder so that you can do your next coffee, all you need to do is just lift the lid up like so. That releases. Don't forget to empty it. That's about it. Keep making coffees.